Hello everyone. So in the last class we have learned how to fetch and show the data in our project, and in this tutorial we'll be learning how to give the edit option in these rows. So for that I will open the page called show or user underscore show.php. So this is the page, and here I will just go down and let us create one more column, and the name of that column will be action, and we will go down a little bit, and here I will now write edit. Okay, so here I will be writing an anchor text href, and then let us paste the ID over here, and let me name it as index.php question page equals edit underscore page edit underscore let's say only edit, and the ID is equals echo ID. And let us now close the close the anchor text, and here I will be writing edit. Let us go to the front end and reload this. Okay, so let us now reload this page, and I can see the edit option over here, and if I click on this option, now I will be able to see index.php page is edit and ID is 28. Now I will copy the entire codes of this page, and then I will create a new page, and the name of that page will be like users underscore edit.php, and then I will paste all the codes over here, and here I will write select from customers where ID is $_get ID, $_get ID, and let me now save this page. I think we did some mistake. Where ID is syntax error, expected string content, expecting dash or identifier or variable number. So let us now do one more thing. Here I will be creating my ID as a variable, and let us copy this code and paste it over here, and now I will be pasting that code over here. Now we will try to save it, or maybe we will give it a single code, and this is all done. Now let us go down and copy this code as well, and we will now paste the code over here, and we will now delete the table. And let us go to user8.php page, and we will copy this form, and let us now paste this form here, user_edit.php. Okay, so we have pasted the code over here. This is an unwanted tag, and let us go give it a class called form control. For all the fields we will be giving the class called form control. And now let us try to check the front end, but still we have not added it in our index.php page. So let us paste it over here, and I will write edit here, and the name of the page will be users underscore edit.php, and let us now go to the front end. Okay, let me save it. I will go to the front end and check the page. Here I can see name, email, mobile, and password. Even we can give it a class to the button, and here I will go to users underscore edit, And in case of the button, we will be giving it a class called btn primary, which is a class of Bootstrap, btn-primary. And let me save the page and go to the front end, reload the page once again. So all the design, we can see the changes in the design over here. Now I will again go to YouTube, this IDE, and here I'll be writing page is edit, and then we will copy the name, and we will be displaying the name in the name field, $echo name. And in case of the email, I'll be displaying the email. In case of the mobile, I'll be displaying the mobile. And in case of the password, I'll be displaying the password. Let me save the page and reload the page once again, and we should be able to see all the details over here. All right, so if we change the detail from the first person to the second person, we should be able to see the changes in the database. The details should be displayed in the database. So what we will be doing now is that we will go to our blog once again, academy.weaverdev.com, and here I'll be opening the PHP PDF code, and I will quickly copy the update statement. So here is the read statement, and we can see the update statement over here. Let me copy it quickly, and then I will go to our IDE, and where we have previously pasted the code for okay, so this is totally empty. So let us paste the update code over here, and here we will be writing. I will also open the database MySQL -u and then root, and then here we will be use YouTube as the database, and then we will be showing, or maybe select star from customers, and then let me hit enter. Here we can see cast name, cast email, cast mobile, and cast password. Let me copy the column name called cast name and paste it over here. The name of the table is customers. Then we will be copying the cast email, and we will paste it over here. Then we will be copying the cast mobile and giving a comma. I'll be pasting the details of cast mobile over here. And lastly, we will be copying cast password, and we will give it a value for over here. So here we can see bind parameter 2. Let us give 4 as well, value 3 and value 4. And value 1 will be $_post, and we will go to users edit, and the name of this input field is name. Similarly, we will be creating value 2, value 3, value 4, and here is the value 2, here is the value 3, and here is the value 4, and email, then the mobile number, then the password. So let us cross verify the field names, name, email, mobile, and password, which is all done. And here we have to write if else method, if isEt method. So let us again copy this code, and I will write if isEt $_post button name, then we will be executing this function, and we will have to give the name of that button. So here we have now, yes, we have given the name, button name called submit form, which we'll be pasting over here, and all the things been done now. And where ID is ID, so here we have to get the ID. So this is my ID, and we will paste the ID over here, and we will be deleting all the unwanted things. And now let us quickly okay, let me delete it. So let us quickly go to this page, reload this page, And from first person, I will now write second person, and then I will click on the submit button. Here I can see unidentified array key ID in line number 3. So we have to go to line number 3 now. So here I will write if ESET $_get, and the ESET is ID, and then I will be opening this code, this curly braces, and we will paste it over here. Now all the errors should be corrected. Let me reload the page once again, and here we can see only warnings and warnings. So let us check what exactly the warning is. Page edit on line number 68. So let us go to line number 68 and see what exactly the issue is. So here let us again write, let us again check if ESET $ID, if there is any ID in the URL, then we will be executing this statement. And let me reload the page once again, or let us correct it once again. I will be saving it, and then let us reload the document once again. So I can see unidentified ID on line number 5. So let us again check line number 5, what exactly is written here. I can see my ID is $get ID, and if we check the ID here, oops. So the problem is here, while we came back from the page called all users, and when I clicked on this page, then I was not able to find this ID over here. Alright, so this is the issue. So what I will be doing, I will go to this code, and then once the page gets successfully submitted, then we will be redirecting the user to index.php page is show. Now we will go to users.php, and after updating the user, let us reload it once again, and here I will write second person. Let us click on the submit button, and here I can see unidentified, and we can see that a record updated successfully. So let us now go to the terminal, and here let us see if the record has been successfully updated or not. For that, I will write select star from customers. I will write select star from customers, and then hit enter. I can now see the first person is the same. We can see the record is not yet updated, so we have to check where exactly the issue is, where ID is ID, and ID here we have defined it as my ID, and here we can see the submit form, update customers, cast name, cast email, cast mobile, and value 4. All the details are been correct. Alright, so everything is now correct, but the only issue which I can see here is that what we will do now is let us add the ID over here, where ID equals PHP echo my ID. And let us now go to this page, and here let us edit the ID with number 32, and the name of the person is Abdul. So in case of Abdul, let us write Ram, and the email is ram@gmail.com, and mobile number is, I think we have displayed the mobile number in the wrong way, 7002123456, and password is 12 or 112. Let us click on the submit button, and now we can see Ram and mobile number, all the details have now been successfully updated. Alright, we did one more mistake. In case of the mobile, we have shown the email ID, so we will have to go to mobile, the form, and then we will go to mobile, and then let us reload the page. Now everything is correct. The last thing which we have to do is to add the delete option that we will be doing in the next class. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel as it takes a lot of effort to make videos like this. Bye bye.